Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make lobster bites. First, ensure you have about 1 pound of cooked lobster meat, cut into 1-inch pieces. Next, prepare your batter by whisking together 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1 cup of cold, sparkling water until just combined. Don't forget your favorite dipping sauces, like a zesty lemon aioli or warm drawn butter, for serving. Once your lobster is cooked, carefully cut it into uniform 1-inch pieces. This ensures each bite cooks evenly and has a consistent texture. Lightly dust the lobster pieces with a seasoned flour mixture, perhaps with a pinch of salt and pepper, before dipping. Your batter should be smooth but a little lumpy. Overmixing can lead to tough bites. Now, let's get frying. Heat about 3 inches of a neutral oil, like canola or vegetable oil, in a heavy-bottomed pot to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully dip each floured lobster piece into the batter, then gently place it into the hot oil. Fry in small batches for about 2 to 3 minutes, or until they are beautifully golden brown and crispy. Your delicious lobster bites are ready. Serve them piping hot right after they come out of the oil for the best texture and flavor. Arrange them attractively on a platter with a selection of dipping sauces, a creamy lemon aioli, a tangy cocktail sauce, or even a simple drawn butter are excellent choices. A sprinkle of fresh parsley or chives adds a lovely finishing touch.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.